Hello parents, and welcome to a demonstration of our 5th grade team website. To get to our 5th grade team website, you need to go to the interwebs. And so we'll go to Edina Public Schools, and from there choose your school, Normandale Elementary, Academics, and then scroll down to grade 5. And you can click on any of these links. They will all take you to the same website. This is new this year. We have one team website, and it's fabulous. Everything that you need and everything that your student needs in order to be successful this year can be found on this site. Especially of importance is the homework link. Every Tuesday this will be updated, and students will be able to see their homework that is due from Wednesday to Wednesday. A couple of important things to note. For example, today is Thursday the 12th. And students had the Unit 1 practice test to complete and turn in for today. So the homework that you see next to the date is due on this day. Also, there are a couple of live links. This link will take you to the Everyday Math webpage where you can get all of the homework pages that are in your student's math journal. So if they forget their journal at school or can't find it momentarily, you can get the homework pages on this site and print them, and students can turn them in that way. Same for the practice test. This is a live link, so if your student doesn't remember receiving a hard copy or misplaced the hard copy, they can always come here to find it. Anything that is highlighted is a live link and might be helpful for students if they're missing something. Another important link here, if students forget homework, they can come to this link and follow these steps to send an email to parents so that parents can help them remember to bring it the next day. Other important links, we have the Friday update, volunteer sign up, conferences, and then if we scroll all the way down, we have a description of responsive classroom, and this is a general approach to teaching that is based on the premise that children learn best when they have both academic and social emotional skills. And so these are some of the practices that we adhere to in 5th grade. So if you want to read more about that, it's there. Otherwise, if you have questions for us, don't hesitate to be in touch. Thanks so much.